No destination, just the island and the road. Windows open, salt in the air, long road winding without a care. Palm trees dancing beside the sea. Every mile sets my spirit free. Little cafes, fresh coconut, children waving, old pickup trucks, music playing from every door, makes me want to drive some more. Island road, take me home, where the blue sea meets the stone. Island road, guide my way. Every corner feels okay. Just jar the breeze and this old van. Island road never ends. Every stranger becomes a friend. One love rolling, mile by mile. Jamaica lives in every smile.